Hello band. Here's a tutorial for the Google Drawings that we're going to be using to do our music theory worksheets on our Chromebook with. You're going to start out pretty zoomed out here, and so I'm going to click View, Zoom, and I'm going to zoom it to 100%. Scroll up. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to learn how to type in a text box. It says type hello Mr. Wagnitz over here with the arrow. My text box is the little T inside the square. I'm going to click that, bring my mouse over, and draw a nice rectangle to type in. Right there. I'm going to type hello Mr. Wagnitz. Okay, step 1 done. So that's how we type in Google Drawings. Next step, we're going to write hello over here, through here. So we can actually draw, it's called Scribble in Google Drawings. So I'm going to go to the line tool next to the arrow, the select tool, bring that down, and it says Scribble. Click Scribble, and I find that a lot of times if I zoom into 200%, scroll over, works a little better this way. So I'm going to write hello. Oh, didn't take that one. Oh, didn't take it again. There we go. Oh, if it doesn't take your line, just keep trying. One of these times. There we go. And go back. Zoom back out to 100% here. Next, working with shapes. It says circle the words, circle this. Next to the Scribble tool, there's a circle and a square, the shape. I'm going to open that up, go to shapes, and the one that looks like a circle in the top left of this box, or oval. And I'll drag down, start on the corner, pull it out like so. And when I let go, circle this goes away. We need to go over to the fill color tool right over here and then click transparent. Then you'll be able to see through it to see the circle this. So that's how you make transparent circles. Next, we're going to make a quarter note using a circle filled with black and a line. So we'll go back to the shapes and the circle tool. Make our little circle or oval here. Then to the fill color, I'm going to fill it black. Next, going back to the Scribble, pull down the arrow, choose line, and then I'm going to make the line going up for the quarter note. So if we need to draw quarter notes, that's a way to get that done. Half note's very similar. Make a half note, go into shapes, the oval. I'll make my oval. This time, I want my fill color to be transparent. And then draw my line up. And then one more, make a whole note. I'll go back to my oval one more time. Make the oval. And fill it with transparent. So that's a way we can make notes, ways we can circle. You know how to draw lines, and you can scribble text or I guess rests. If we need to do some scribbling, we can do that too. When you're done, you'll go up to File, then Download, and you'll download it as a PDF document. And that PDF document is what you're going to turn in the Google Classroom. Hope this helped.